Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you're here today. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel below, and don't forget to hit that little bell, and then every time I post a new video with a wig review or wig related information, you will get a notification letting you know that I have posted new content. So today I am wearing a really cute little popular wig called Scorpio, and it's by Revlon. So Scorpio and her sister Scorpio PM, which has a partial mono in the cap, have been around for a while, and they were made by Revlon. But now we just got news over the weekend that Renee of Paris has a new collection called the Orchid Collection, and they are re-releasing Scorpio and Scorpio PM. The difference is that when they release it, it's going to be released in the Renee of Paris Noriko colors. So Vogue Wigs sent me this to review today, and they still have it available in the original Revlon colors. So there will be a link below in the comment or in the information section that will be a link where you can purchase it from Vogue Wigs if you're still wanting to get it in those Revlon colors, because they still had it. I checked the website today and they still have it in 18 different colors, including brunettes, blondes, and redheads. So if you're a fan of the wig and you've been looking for it because you haven't been seeing it around because the line has been discontinued with Revlon, go to Vogue Wigs, they still have it. So I thank Vogue Wigs for sending me this to review. It's a really cute little bob. It's one that I've wanted to try for a long time. And I'm not always a huge fan of bangs, but I love the way they did the bangs on this piece. Like I said, it's a basic cap, and the bangs are just cut kind of like, I don't know, edgy. They're kind of razor cut, and I like the way that they just sort of lay on the forehead. And they did something brilliant with these in that on the cap here, so it does not have a lace front. It's a basic cap, no monofilament features in the cap at all. But they put some permatease along here, along the edge here. And that's not anything that you're gonna see. What it does is really great because it pulls those bangs away from your forehead so that they just lay right on me. They lay right at my eyebrows. I have a 4-inch forehead, 8-inch, was it 4-inch forehead? 3-inch forehead? Hold on. Let's check. Let's measure it right here on camera. So I have a, 3-inch forehead, right? Yeah, I'm looking at it backwards in the camera. So I have a 3-inch forehead. So that kind of gives you an idea. And the bang measurement on these is actually 3 inches. So I like where they fall. They fall right at my eyebrows, right above my eyebrows, so they're not getting in my eyes. And I love the way they cut the ends too. I would love to have this bob without bangs. I wish that would be an option. So wig companies, if you're listening, make this wig without bangs. Make it with this little edgy, cute cut. So really nice. But these Revlon fibers are also really, really pretty. They're very natural looking. I didn't have to spray the wig with any dry shampoo or anything like that. So really, really happy with the fibers and the cut. So while we're talking about all the different measurements, I'll just go into all the measurements. So like I said, the bang is 3 inches. The top is 9.75 inches. Sides and back go from 6.25 inches to 9 inches. So probably at the longest point back here, 9 inches. And then your nape measurement back here is 2.25 inches. So let's talk about this color. This color is 10R, also known as Walnut. Very, very pretty, medium, very true brunette. I'm very happy with the color. So the color is described as having 33% of a combination, equal parts of their 8, their 10, and their 12, which they describe as light brown, but I would say those are medium to light browns. So really, really pretty color. You see only one color, so it's a complete blend, no highlighting or anything like that. So just really, really pretty color, really cute. So I'll do a turn all the way around so you can see her all the way around. So left side, see that cute cut? Oh, the cut is so cute. The back. Sorry, this is left side. That other one was right side. Really, really cute. So very, very cute little cut. So it is a basic cap wig. So one thing to keep in mind is that this part up here is going to be covered with little permatease fibers because they have to cover the cap with something. So I'll show you that area. I do think that up close to the eye, those fibers are visible, but standing away from someone, I think the way the hair kind of has a little height here, I don't think they're that obvious. So, you know, just not bad appearance to those little permatease fibers. And like I said, they have that permatease all the way around the edge of the cap. I'll cover the ear tabs. So the ear tabs, they're a little flimsy. Not real happy with the ear tabs. They do have a piece of metal that's this big, but it's really, really skinny. So I'm not getting a lot of success with bending it and having it stay in place. But they're flush up against my face, so I can't really complain. And the way it's cut, I'm not really gonna be probably pulling it back. I mean, you could pull it back, but I'm not real happy about the appearance of the permatease along the edge of the wig here. So this particular style, if I was gonna wear it, I would just wear it down in its natural style without really enhancing it with anything. So the style itself is really cute. It's really cool. It's up off of your collar, it's off of your neck, so it would be comfortable. So let me pop it off and we can talk about the inside of the cap. So inside the cap, like I said, basic cap wig. So you've got a nice soft felt right here at the forehead. And that's where I'm saying, I don't know if you can see that in the camera, there's little permatease right there. That's what's making those bangs stick out so that they don't rest right on your forehead, which I really love. I hate hair stuck to my forehead. Has open ear tabs, which are great for glasses. Has Velcro closures, has the little reverse side of the Velcro strip back here. So that Velcro sticks to that, so you can adjust those adjusters. So lots of stretch in the cap, I'm noticing. So I think she would be, you know, bigger head friendly. My circumference is 21 inches. She definitely is a true to average. She's a little bit big on me. So I don't have a wig grip on just because it's easier to pop her on and off and do the review without a wig grip on. But I definitely think that she is true to average or above average as far as the sizing is concerned. So this has been Scorpio by Revlon in the color 10R. There will be a link below, like I said, in the information section where you can click and you can purchase this wig from Vogue Wigs. Again, I want to thank them for sending it to me to review for you today. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget that you are absolutely beautiful. Bye.